Are you looking for a simple way to make $500 a week online without any experience or investment? In this video, I'll walk you through 5 easy online side hustles that you can start today and scale fast. Sell digital products on Etsy. Etsy isn't just for handmade crafts. You can sell digital products like planners, resumes, or social media templates. Use Canva to design them, then upload to Etsy and earn money passively. Many sellers are making hundreds weekly from one good product. Offer AI-based freelance services. You don't need to be a pro to offer services on Fiverr or Upwork. Use ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for design, or 11 Labs for voiceovers. Clients care about results, not how you did it. Deliver fast and build a portfolio to charge more. Affiliate marketing with AI tools. Promote AI tools like Jasper, Canva, or hosting platforms through affiliate links. Create short review videos or blog posts using AI content generators. When people click and buy, you earn a commission. Some affiliates earn over $100 daily from one link. YouTube Shorts with AI. Create viral YouTube Shorts using tools like Mootion or Pictory. Focus on trending topics like tech, finance, or motivation. Monetize with AdSense, affiliate links, or product shoutouts. You don't need to show your face, just add value. Sell Notion templates. Notion is booming. People pay for productivity systems. Design a template once using AI for help, then sell it on Gumroad or Etsy. It's a one-time effort that can bring in weekly sales. You now have 5 practical ways to earn $500 per week online using free AI tools. Which method are you going to try first? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-making tips.